Hi guys, this is Tuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 4 of Stuti Speaks. And today I have a friend and a very special guest with me whose name is Jasleen. So first I'll tell you how I met Jasleen. So Jasleen and me met via a common friend whose name is ईशू एंड ईशू के साथ मैंने पॉडकास्ट करा हुआ है अगर आपने नहीं देखा है I mean, nahi suna hai because this is an audio podcast. So you can go check that out. That was a part of season 2. So yeah, I was saying कि issue के through we met, and I think you were taking some sessions with her, or maybe you were like doing some connects with her at that time. You were going through your journey, so that's how we met, and we did some tarot sessions together, and we were connected. So kuch workshops maybe we got connected. Plus, we have a common group of friends as well on Instagram. Like people. Obviously, when you are into spirituality, you met most of your people via tribes. So I would say, yeah, you are a part of tribe as well. Like we all are connected somehow. So Jasleen is an ICN fitness coach as well. अभी इसने lately ही वो किया है like 4 silver and 1 bronze in ICN what competition happened, and इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे throughout the podcast. And there are many other aspects of her personality as well. She's a healer too, also a writer as well, a star seed as well. So many aspects of her personality, and we know each other like from quite a while now, so थोड़ा सा informal भी हो सकती है podcast. So bear with us because जब तुम friends होते हो तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा चलता है, right, Jasleen? So Jasleen, passing it over to you. Tell people about your like, give a bit of more intro. अगर मैंने कुछ miss कर दिया, sorry for that, तो वो add कर दो, and then we'll take your journey from there.
Thank you, Sute. It's absolutely fine. You haven't missed anything. And thank you for having me. I
Yeah.
remember since last year you are about to have me, and then I said, let's wait, let's wait. So,
Because we were
yes,
waiting for December to happen so that you have much more to tell and add to your story. So yeah, continue.
so yes, I am in into fitness journey right now. I'm an energy healer, a writer. I play instruments too. So, as I
Wow.
say, I have multiple passion syndrome, but I enjoy this syndrome. So I am MBA IT Finance from Symbiosis Pune. I am a
Wow.
UPSC rank holder, but I didn't join that job because at that time I knew it कि if I joined, then obviously I am going to resign because I actually knew what my path is. So I didn't want to waste a seat for the deserving candidate by resigning it later on. Earlier I
बट
have
यार
worked.
ये यूपीएससी वाली बात यार मुझे भी नहीं पता थी. आई जस्ट गॉट टू नो जस्ट बिफोर दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. पहले
Thank
एक्चुअली
you.
यूपीएससी का मुझे इतना पता भी नहीं था. लेटली आई सॉ 12th फेल, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में पता चला दैट हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज़ एंड हाउ थिंग्स आर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ जॉब. स्पेशली आई नो द IAS एंड IPS आर टफ, बट स्टिल यूपीएससी में इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल होता है ये नहीं पता था. एनी सॉरी, कंटिन्यू. हाँ.
No, and then I worked in government sector banks. Earlier, I was in Punjab National Bank. Then I moved to Indian Overseas Bank, and finally, I left all the government sector jobs and took my path, my purpose, my calling. So
वाओ.
somehow I landed over here. So I think I have a
सो
long way to go in energy healing and all that. All that's happening, it would go side by side. But my calling is as an energy healer, I think so.
So basically, as of now, like your main, like the focus to नहीं कहेंगे, the main one of the major areas is fitness only, right? So we'll talk about that. वही बीच में will come to spirituality as well. So tell us more about your journey. Like how exactly, what was the point where you got to know that this is your calling? थोड़ा सा पीछे जाके लोगों को बताते हैं. What was your journey?
So basically 2018, 19, back to those years, something were happening that I was also not aware what was happening. So I would say that was a dark night of the soul that I was going through. So
Hmm.
कुछ कुछ हो रहा था बट समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि हो क्या रहा है. One of the lowest phase 2018 and 19. But when today I connect dots तो समझ आती हैं चीजें. Okay, this was happening at that time and all that. So coming back to ICN, since 2022 November or December, I was not knowing I am going to go for ICN 2023. Basically मुझे ICN की full form भी नहीं पता थी, to be
Hmm.
honest.
Hmm.
तो it was not planned at all, but it was destined, I would say.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
then in Jan,
Hmm. Sorry.
Jan
Yeah.
2023, I started with my ICN coaching
Hmm.
and whole 1 year of prep and all that. And with God grace, being a very first timer, I was hugely awarded on stage and off stage, that I say.
Hmm.
And that's a great honor for me. And definitely, I'm looking forward to go in for further stages as well. But as of
Okay.
now, it was not planned, but yes, it was destined.
It happened. We'll
It,
come to all your ICN, like what exactly is ICN and how the things happen there. So उस पे आते हैं, but before that I was saying थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं. What exactly was you going through when the banking and all these things were happening? What was the exact point where you decided that I want to go for fitness? या यही मेरी calling है. It was there some point which you remember?
yeah, I remember actually in 2015, मुझे याद है, I talked with some of my family members and friends that I want to be in a fitness journey. तो उस टाइम पे they were like leaving the government jobs and being a fitness coach, so it was not taken well by some of the members and all that, you know. मार्क्स सेट होते हैं ना, यूपीएससी छोड़ दिया, बैंकिंग छोड़ दी फॉर बीइंग अ फिटनेस जर्नी. तो बट यस, आई वाज डूइंग वेरी वेल इन माय जॉब, बट आई वाज नॉट satisfied from inside. So
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
2015, I left my job,
Hmm. अच्छा.
and
Hmm.
then COVID happened. I did everything, you know, started studying in that time period. I did certifications in that time period as well. Rather, I did Masters of Communication also in journalism
अच्छा.
during the COVID. So that was another feather in
Hmm.
my journey, in
Cap.
my portfolio. So
Hmm.
yes, 2018, 19, that was the phase of COVID, and that was the
Hmm.
phase of my dark night of the soul, I can say. One of the lowest phase I have ever been, but I
Hmm.
was not aware at that time what was happening. So
Hmm.
gradually things change. Um, when I get to know, the thing is, it was that tough that I left my, exercising and all that during that time. I remember in graduation, I told my mom I want to go to gym because that things excite me a lot, what people are doing inside. So
Hmm.
I stepped into the gym for the very first time, I think in the age of 20 or 21. But in 2018-19, I left everything. I was not exercising, I was not doing nutrition, and I think that time I get to realize that there is something wrong. The thing that I am most passionate about, if I am leaving that thing, obviously there is something going on that I'm not aware of. But somehow, with the help of some people, I get back to my journey
Hmm.
and I
That's a
gathered all
fantastic.
my courage and everything. So yes, it was spirituality was going on side by side, but थोड़ा बहुत है spirituality में.
हाँ, जब तक वो ब्रेक इनटू पीसेस नहीं होगा तब तक स्टैंडिंग टॉल तो हो नहीं सकता ना. सो दैट्स द होल पॉइंट ऑफ द
So
एनी
yes,
काइंड ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी और फॉलिंग कॉल लाइक being close to your callings. But as you said, like you were saying कि बचपन से था, like was that something from your childhood that excites you, like क्योंकि I feel your callings are more or less the things which you were excited in your childhood or teenager. It just over the period of time we are programmed like that, the metrics, as we say in spirituality, the matrix takeovers, and we get trapped in the fear, uncertainties, doubts of following our passions and whatever it is. So was that something that you remember from your childhood or teenage as well?
yes, I played still state level. I was a
Acha.
state level badminton player. I was a state level athletics also. So somehow it was there since childhood
Hmm.
because I never ever missed any kind of sport or any type of representing school and college in state levels, in
Hmm.
debates, in sports, in
Hmm.
badminton, I can say. So after
Hmm.
college, after job, it all left. But somehow, like you
Hmm.
said, it was a calling from the childhood and it landed me in the same field after so many years. So
Hmm.
yes,
Yes. Okay. Great. So now let's come to ICN part. So basically, our aim with this podcast is to tell people how you can enroll. What exactly is ICN? What is the role of ICN in your fitness journey? And obviously, you have four silver medal, one bronze in ICN. So that's a achievement. That's a major achievement. So how did you got to know about ICN, and how was that journey? Now we can talk in detail about that.
Basically, ICN means I compete natural. So this
Okay.
bodybuilding process is basically a natural process without the use of any steroids and everything, because your blood samples were randomly taken over there. So
Acha.
ICN is I compete natural. It is a natural
Okay.
bodybuilding process. They have a
Hmm.
website in which you can enroll, and definitely you need a coach for that, because
Hmm.
it is a very, very, crucial part of someone's life in
Hmm.
regards to nutrition, in regards to training. So I'm thankful to my coaches for guiding me
Hmm.
well during my entire ICN journey. I am
Hmm.
humbly grateful to my coaches. And
Hmm.
so, yes, it was more of a, mental game. So as I said
Hmm.
कि I was already into spirituality, तोड़ फोड़ already इतनी हो चुकी थी, तो ICN की जर्नी कैसे निकली पता नहीं लगा.
Hmm.
And there were some personal reasons to be on ICN, so शायद वो मेरा push था to keep going, to wait for
Hmm.
December, what is there in store for me for December.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it was not planned, but it was this
Hmm.
time. Some things are, very superficial to talk and discuss for the common man to understand.
I can
So,
surely understand
so
that.
yeah, you
Yeah.
can. So obviously, I can't reveal the reasons behind it, but that one thing is my push to complete the
Motivation.
ICN journey. Exactly, because it is tough. It is tough, but I don't know. I never felt it is tough for me at mental level. I don't know. I enjoyed every bit of my journey,
Hmm.
and yes, that was the push to. I was
Hmm.
seeking forward to December. What's happening? What will happen with me
In December.
in
Hmm. Hmm.
December? So
Hmm.
this is
So
how
what?
I landed there, and I am
Hmm.
thankful to my friend also, Dipti, who was there with me,
Hmm.
because as I said, ki I was never ever, felt low at even for a single second during the whole year. But as the December is approaching, God test you.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm. Hmm.
some sort of incidents happened just before the my competition 3 or 4 days back, and
Hmm.
she's the one who hold me tight. I
Hmm.
was
Hmm.
like, I'm a human. I'm a human
Hmm.
too. I was comparatively on low calories, so many
Hmm.
pressures, competition
Ha.
pressure, so many things
Hmm.
around. So,
Hmm.
yes,
Can understand.
she hold me
Hmm.
there. She was there with me over there.
Hmm. Hmm. So how are the rounds happening? कितने सारे round होते हैं, and how were like how many medals, and which were the things where you won? Which were the categories where you won?
Basically, there are many categories. I participated in bikini, sports 30
Hmm.
plus, sports first timer, runway, and
Hmm.
sun swimsuit. So the
Hmm.
core categories are bikini and sports.
Acha.
So,
Bikini and sports. Hmm.
yeah, so there are basically 4 to 5 rounds, like front round comparison rounds. You have to just show off how beautifully and how hardly you have worked on your physique all over the year, or people are preparing for 2 or 3 years also. So,
Hmm.
tapasya hai ek tarah ki, people who do. I think everybody on the stage is a winner, because everybody has been through that process for that 5 minutes on stage, whether it is
Got
a
it.
journey of 1 year, whether it is a journey of 2 or 3 years for them. So
Hmm.
everybody who has on that stage is a winner. Some
Got
people
it.
I know have left in between
Hmm.
the prep only. So it's not only about just, training plan, it's not only about just nutrition, it is also about posing. How well
Acha.
you uh, present yourself on the stage with pious and grace, and also showing your hard work through your body.
Hmm. Got it. Got it. So that's like really a obviously यार मतलब देख के भी पता चलता है the body you kind of body you built, it was so inspiring. Like I can
Thank you.
understand the kind amount of the effort that has gone into that of like obviously हर एक कैलोरी मापी जा रही है,
Exactly.
हर एक
एक एक
हर
ग्राम.
एक वे एक एक ग्राम प्लस every lift is important, every weight you pull, everything you push is important, right?
एंड
So
ऑल्सो टू कीप इन माइंड कि उस दौरान हमें इंजरी नहीं हो जाए. दैट इज ऑल्सो एन
हाँ.
इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. जैसे जैसे
Hmm.
कंपटीशन पास आ रहा था, सो वी आर गेटिंग
Hmm.
मोर माइंडफुल सो एज टू प्रिवेंट वन सेल्फ फ्रॉम एन इंजरी ऑल्सो.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Right, right. That's another thing. Hmm. So this happened in Goa, right?
Yeah, this happened in Goa, December 2023, 9, 10th,
Okay, and
11th.
how much the like कितने दिन का होता है ये?
Basically, it was a 3 days this year. It's
अच्छा,
usually 2 days, but this time it is 3 days.
okay. So do you reach there on the day of the like when it starts,
No,
or you reach a bit early and leave a bit late?
I reached a day before,
Hmm.
as it was on 8th, 9th, and 10th, and I reached on 7th. So 8th,
Hmm.
9th, 10th, I was there because on 8th I did my registration for the competition and all that. 9th,
Hmm.
10th, 10th evening last show tha mera Miss Runway. So
Hmm.
11th I was there, 12th I came back.
Acha, 12th I came back. Okay, okay. You came back. I mean, sorry. Yeah. I got into your flow. Okay. So that's huge actually. Like, I mean, coming from that banking background, doing so many things at MBA, IT, and then ending up on a bikini competition or whatever, more semi kind of obviously posing, and there are many other things include as well. So that's a whole lot of journey. So I mean, uh, how do you explain for a third person, like for a normal तो नहीं कहूँगी, everybody is normal, we are normal as well, but the point is किसी को explain करना पड़े तो how do you define your journey, right? I mean, so many ups and downs, so many, what do you felt was what kept you going? That's what my question should be ideally throughout your journey. Or मेरे को पता है कि personally also you had a lot of ups and downs as well in your journey of past 3 to 4 5 or whatever 10 years should we say, because you said that you left your job in 2015, which means you might have started it in 2011 or 2010, whatever it is. So
2009,
it's
yeah.
yeah, 2009. Okay, so 2009 to 2019 भी एक तरह से
Decade
इतने
हो गया.
long decade हो गया. So how, what kept you moving throughout? Like what was your
So my
inside thing which
faith
kept you
in
moving?
my Almighty kept me moving. This is what I can say. Uh,
Hmm.
my deep faith in the Almighty that whatever I'm going through, it will going to be the best for me. Because
Hmm.
in my professional career, I was earning well, no doubt.
Hmm.
I was performing well as well. I have a heap of certificates still now from my professional, you know, bosses and
Hmm.
everyone, and they're still connected to me. But this is what I said ki I was not feeling happy inside, and that was the
Hmm.
question that invoked me, why I am not feeling happy. I am earning well, I am performing well, still there is no happiness inside me. So when you sit with yourself, you get so many answers. So the first thing that I analyzed that came to my mind at that time was the same thing, fitness. And then I started
Hmm.
talking to some of the family members and everybody and friends also, some of the friends also, they said, no, it's you left your job, you're leaving UPSC just for the sake of being into a fitness community. It doesn't make sense. I don't know why it doesn't make sense to them, but it makes sense to me. So yes,
Hmm.
it was a bold step for me to leave behind the government sector jobs and start from a scratch. I'm still learning. I can't say I have learned a lot. I'm still learning. I'm doing more certifications right now. So yes, I'm starting all over again. But
Hmm.
yes, it's a good experience. One thing that I have learned in my journey that you have asked me, my life is not practical at all. If I plan, or I can say yes, my life is practical, no, it is not practical. It is not as planned as I want. So I always being guided to do this. Like I said, it was not planned to go in ICN. But yes, now I know what I have to do. Earlier I was not knowing why I am going to ICN. I have seen people, athletes, they are coming with a vision that we want to be an ICN on this and that. I was not going to ICN with that vision. But yes,
Hmm.
now if I step on the stage, obviously I have a vision now. Okay, I'm going to IC and I want to win. I have to work on my, uh, you know, body more
Hmm.
properly where my weak points were. I have to work on that. But if you ask me in Jan 2023, why are you going to IC? And that was a bit more personal.
Hmm. Got it. Got it. But now you know why that happened, why that path was there, why everything. I think
Actually,
life
it
always
happened, yeah.
may. Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah, it was a personal experience also, but it gave me, clarity on professionally also. Because if I am going to the process of being an athlete, then obviously it has some professional aspects attached to that. So
Hmm.
it has
Hmm.
some professional aspects attached to the my certifications now.
Hmm.
And personally, though, obviously, I gained so many insight why I was there. That's why I said I
Hmm.
am hugely, hugely thankful to the Almighty for rewarding
Hmm.
me on stage and off stage. Because being a first timer, I was blessed with four silver and one bronze, and I think it's a great achievement for me. And it gave me a push to work
Hmm.
more harder to be on that stage again. Yeah, definitely there are some other points also that will, I think it will reveal with time what my plans are and everything. But yes, I'm working on each and every bit of it.
Hmm. Amazing, yeah, that's really nice. Basically, I liked one thing which you said on stage and off stage. And off stage, I think is bit personal, but then that's the whole point of the true
Mm.
life journey. Because वो चीज़ सिर्फ तुम्हें पता है and you know the how far you came.
How
So
far I
yeah,
came in spirituality,
how
how
far you
far I,
came, how far you came in spirituality, how far you came in your life journey, how far you came as a person,
yes.
right? Like you're older, how far you came as a person that your older version does not exist anymore. Like you don't even relate to that version. यार के वो
Actually,
version
when I
है.
say na in 2018, 19, when things are going, I was
Hmm.
not aware what I am going through. But when I
Hmm.
landed in
Hmm.
2018, 19 के answers 2020, 23 में मिल रहे हैं. So I
Yeah.
connected the dots. Okay, it was happening this and it was happening that at that time. But yes, it was very, very tough. 2018, 19 was really tough. Dark night of the soul is not easy to handle by everyone.
Been there, know that. I
It
can't even describe in words. So people who don't know what dark night of the soul, it's a point in your spiritual journey जिसको हम 3D वर्ड में डिप्रेशन बोल सकते हैं, बट एक्चुअली में डिप्रेशन नहीं होता.
No,
इट्स अ
actually,
डार्क
no,
नाइट
it
ऑफ
is
सोल.
no, it is not depression because
या
you know everything. You're not on, you're fighting, you're seeking answers for something that you are not aware of
या
it at that time.
वही
Actually,
मैं. हाँ बोलो, सॉरी. या
depression में basically it is a negative aura, depression.
Yeah,
We are
yeah, yeah.
not.
I completely agree. But वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, for people who don't understand with the 3D language perspective, with the earthly language perspective, you can call it depression, but वो depression नहीं होता. In a spiritual language, it's dark night of the soul only, and it happens because uh, you stop doing things which are insulting your soul. That's the one liner for thing, and that cause a lot of inner conflict and outer conflict with people as well. So the outer people are not able to understand you, even you are not able to understand yourself, and there's a lot of inner and outer conflict happening, which kind of where you lose your ego self or identity कि मैं actual में हूँ कौन और मेरा purpose क्या है. And then you start seeking answers and more answers and
And
more answers.
basically, this journey is leading you to growth only, that we realized
Growth.
later on. At that
Agree.
time, it was not, at all clear that this journey has started to give you growth. And when growth comes, it comes for a soul as a whole.
या इट कम्स एज अ सोल. हाँ, आपने सब कुछ ना बोलते हुए भी बोल दिया, बट ठीक है, लेट्स कीप इट इतना प्राइवेट ओनली. बट या दैट्स द होल पॉइंट of a growth journey, of a soul's growth journey, that ascension happens at a whole level. It's not that a soul is growing in grows
Individually.
usually. It's growing on both masculine and feminine side overall eternally. So yeah, that's the anyways, let's not go more into deeper into this. The point I was again saying was okay. सो आफ्टर व्हेन यू वोन, इस पे बात करते हैं. आईसीएन खत्म हो गया एंड एवरीथिंग. व्हाट वाज, एक तो जो पता चला होगा वो ये चला होगा दैट लाइफ मेक सेंस इन रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव. नाउ यू नो व्हाई एवरीथिंग हैपेंड एंड व्हाई इट हैपेंड ऑन द एग्जैक्ट टाइम व्हेन इट वाज मेंट टू हैपन, राइट. एक तो मुझे पता है कि यही ये एक बहुत बड़ा लेसन होता है. व्हेन यू रीच समवेयर अ गुड माइलस्टोन, यू नो दैट आपने माइलस्टोन क्यों, कैसे और कब अचीव करा और कौन कौन इसके कंट्रीब्यूटर्स थे. बट व्हाट वाज योर feelings on a 3D earthly level, not with the spiritual perspective. Like, how was that for a layman term? Like, for a fitness person, like person who are looking forward for basic fitness things. Like, what was your perspective
See,
on
if
that?
anyone wants to go for such type of competitions, they need to have a very strong why. Why you want to go in these type of competition? Because एक ना एक point ऐसा आता है like you don't want to continue, you want to give up. So that why should be so strong that it reminds you why you started. Why have you been
Hmm.
here? Because it's not, it's not going to be an easy journey, as I say, for a layman. Because for a person like me or you who are already on the spiritual journey, they have already been through so many, like I use my term तोड़ फोड़. गॉड बहुत तोड़ फोड़ करते हैं. तो फिजिकल प्लेन पे उस चीज का आईसीएन जर्नी में मुझे इफेक्ट नहीं फील हो रहा था बिकॉज आई हैव बीन थ्रू एट अ हायर लेवल. So for
Okay,
a
okay.
person who is preparing, if you're talking like a physical plane and everything, अपना वाई पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. क्यों स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, क्या रीजंस हैं, बिकॉज वही वाई है जो एंड तक खींच के लेके जाएगा. If that is
Hmm.
not strong, it will not give you push internally. Because at the end
Hmm.
of the day, you have to push yourself. Hardly matters whosoever is pushing you from outside, your friends, your coach, and everybody. But your inner urge should be so strong that you're so driven that it help you to reach the ultimate goal. So वहाँ पे हुए competition हुआ. Obviously, I was nervous for the very first time. I was going on such a huge stage, and yeah, everything happened. um, I won and everything. So mixed emotions थे, खुशी भी थी, थोड़ी चीजें समझ भी नहीं आ रही थी. Like I said, I have been through unforeseen circumstances just before the competition. So
Hmm.
yes, I was not, I can say, um, fully, motivated or enthusiastic while I was on a stage. बिकॉज एक मेंटल लेवल, एक इमोशनल कंडीशनिंग भी होती है एथलीट की. तो उस कंडीशन में मैं नहीं थे कि बहुत एंथुसियाज्म से जा रहे हो स्टेज के ऊपर. दैट्स व्हाई से द ऑलमाइटी हैज ब्लेस्ड मी ह्यूजली ऑन स्टेज एंड
Hmm.
ऑफ स्टेज. बिकॉज
Hmm.
जो मेरी इमोशनल टेस्टिंग थी दैट केम 3 और 4 days बिफोर द कंपटीशन. ओके, ऐसा भी
Hmm.
हो सकता है. पूरी जर्नी तो हो
Hmm.
गई, तब तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, कहीं ब्रेक डाउन नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. लेट्स टेस्ट. और जब मैं कहती हूँ कि
Hmm.
गॉड ने फिर फास्ट योग कर फेंका,
Hmm.
अब
ये ले.
खेलो, अब खेलो.
अब वो आई फील कुछ भी माइलस्टोन से पहले ना एक टेस्ट तो होता ही है. आई स्ट्रांगली फील दैट. एंड ये तो मेरे को अपना बहुत ही ना, जैसे कुछ चैलेंज, मतलब अब तो खैर इतना ज़्यादा नहीं लगता, टचवुड अभी मेन लेटली कुछ नहीं. बट आई फील के वेन एवर आई नाउ गो थ्रू अ चैलेंज, आई एम वेरी श्योर होती हूँ कि इसके बाद कुछ खुलेगा. एंड वट
खुलेगा.
एवर दैट खुलता है ना, तो इट फील्स लाइक अच्छा, ये खुलना था. So now I take challenges like मुझे पता है कि इसके बाद कुछ खुलने वाला है, and then I'm like okay, I'm
Actually, the
ready.
thing is this, na, there are times when you have to say goodbye to certain energies also because their
Hmm.
role in your life has completed. और जब आप
Completed.
आगे ascension में जा रहे हो तो हर एनर्जी आपके साथ नहीं जाएगी. So
That is
this
so
is
true.
this is what I have analyzed, what I have felt. Whether you
Hmm.
want
Hmm.
it or not, people who are
Hmm.
not meant to be the part of your ascension will never ever go with you.
Go on
Because
you.
growth, while you're growing, and if you
Hmm.
want to grow while you're growing, there are many people around you, but only few can walk with
Will
you.
walk with you because they are meant for their soul journey is different, their path is different.
Their paths
तो
are
anyways,
different.
अगर आप रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट करने लगोगे कि दे शुड गो विद यू, तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल क्रिएट मोर प्रॉब्लम फॉर योर सेल्फ. अच्छा, इसमें आई वुड वांट टू ऐड यू बिकॉज अब ये बात चल ही रही है. मे बी आई फील आई एम हैविंग ए कॉलिंग टू से दिस इन पॉडकास्ट कि कैसे पता चले. कुछ लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि कैसे पता चले कि कौन आपके साथ ग्रोथ के लिए चल आगे के लिए है, कौन नहीं है. मेरा इसको पता करने का सिंपल तरीका है. व्हाट आई डू इफ आई फील अ ड्रिफ्ट विद समवन, लाइक कुछ भी, फ्रेंड्स भी, कुछ कोई भी हो सकता है, फ्रेंड्स, पर्सन, ऑब्वियसली आप देयर आर पीपल हु आर इटर्नल लाइक योर पेरेंट्स एंड सिबलिंग्स, इतना नहीं होगा उनके साथ. बट कुछ केसेस में उनके साथ भी हो सकता है। पर्सनली फॉर मी, आई नेवर, मेरे साथ वो केस नहीं था, बट कुछ फ्रेंड्स या कुछ लोगों के साथ वो केस हो सकता है। सो इन दैट केस आई फील यू ट्राई टू टाइम्स, और मे बी मैक्सिमम इफ somebody इज टू क्लोज टू यू, 3 टाइम्स। इससे ज़्यादा आप ट्राई मत करो। देन यू गो विद द कॉलिंग, क्योंकि अगर आप इससे ज़्यादा फोर्स कर रहे हो ना अपने आप को किसी से रिलेशनशिप बिल्डअप करने में, इसका मतलब यू आर गोइंग अगेंस्ट द फ्लो। अगर कोई 2-3 बारी में विद योर पोलाइट एफर्ट्स इज नॉट कमिंग इन टर्म्स विद यू, देन यू लेट देम गो। और कई बार
more
कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि दे विल कम बैक, बिकॉज वो थोड़ा सा पीरियड होता है जो कि अ, आपको अलग अलग बिताना होता है, सो दैट यू ग्रो एंड देन यू अगेन कम टुगेदर। बट देन देर आर फ्यू पीपल जो उसके बाद दोबारा कभी भी नहीं आएंगे, एंड दैट इज ओके। एंड और किसी को और भी ज्यादा दिक्कत है तो दे, यू शुड आस्क फॉर गाइडेंस के am I on the right path, and if I am having the bad feelings or I'm the person who is a culprit, I should get the guidance to make the things right. But मेरे ख्याल से in most of the cases spirituality मुझे कभी वो दोबारा बहुत ज़्यादा guidance आती भी नहीं है to do it
But
again.
one thing I would like to add on it, Stuti, like we
हम्म।
say कि growth हर इंसान के अपने साथ नहीं है. It is not always कि सामने वाला इंसान हमें सिखाने आया. It is a vice versa also. Sometimes
True.
उस इंसान को भी हमसे कुछ सीखना होता है. That's why
For sure.
that things are happening. Like I say कि हम अपनी सोल जर्नी के सब अपनी अपनी क्लास में हैं. Maybe
हम्म।
that person is in 8th or 9th standard and I have done
हम्म।
graduation. So
Yeah.
ये जो conflicts होते हैं, basically in
हम्म।
this scenario, I can say maybe I am the medium for that person to learn and grow in life. Because जब
Yeah,
तक
yeah. Yeah, yeah. Right.
क्योंकि स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जब तक ईगो नहीं टूटेगी ना तब तक ग्रोथ नहीं होगी.
या ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। द डे यू विल नो कि मैं तो कुछ हुई नहीं, आई एम जस्ट अ
I'm
चैनल फॉर
nothing.
एवरीथिंग।
Yeah.
एंड ये तो इवन आई से यू कैन, इफ पीपल आर अ लेसन और ब्लेसिंग फॉर यू, तो आप भी लोगों के लिए लेसन और ब्लेसिंग होगे। सो कुछ लोगों के लिए आप भी सिर्फ लेसन ही होते हो। एंड व्हेन द यू आर ओवर एज ए, or you are over as a lesson or blessing, the person, either you move on or the person moves on। तो मुझे ये लगता है कि यू गिव एवरी, पहले नहीं था मेरे साथ ऐसा। व्हेन आई वाज लाइक इनटू 3D, आई कीप ट्राइंग अगर कुछ छूट रहा है तो मैं उसे ट्राई करती रहूंगी पकड़ने का, रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट करके, नॉट नोइंग कि 1-2 बार से ज्यादा आपको भी इस यूनिवर्स का साइन समझ लेना चाहिए कि मे बी द करंट टाइम इज नॉट राइट फॉर दिस थिंग टू गो राइट। इवेंचुअली इट कुड बी बट नॉट राइट नाउ। एनीवेज, हम आईसीएन के बारे में डिस्कस करते करते स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे पहुंच गए, बट दैट्स नेचुरल फॉर पीपल लाइक अस, क्योंकि हम पहुंच ही जाते हैं वहाँ पे। But anyways, to cut it short now, again coming back to ICN. So what are your now plans with ICN and with the fitness coaching? Will you be going again? Is the repetition allowed? How is that thing going?
Yes, we can go again.
Hmm.
But thing is,
Hmm.
I need to work on my weak points right now. We call it off season, where you work on
Acha.
your weak areas, like where are you
Okay.
lacking. So you work on
Hmm.
that. It would take 1 to 2 years. And yes, I am doing many more certifications side by side. One is about to end, and one is about to start, I can say. So I
Wow.
am in the process of something. I'm in the
Hmm.
making right now. So I say 2024 is a year for me, more hard work, more doings, more action from my side, and maybe its results, its fruit can be beared in the years to come.
Wow.
So
Great. Hmm. So what are your plans? Like ICN के अलावा, what are your plans?
ICN के अलावा there are many plans, but yes, ICN है और भी certifications हैं, and
Hmm.
something more is in store. I think let the time reveal that thing.
That okay, I'll wait for that. And uske baad maybe we can do some other podcast or a live session. That will completely depend. So now we are towards the end of the podcast. So what do you want to say to people who are listening to you, like as a inspiration notes or whatever, like takeaway for them?
Um, See, I would like to say always listen to your heart because it has all the answers. Your soul has many answers, more for you than you seek from the people outside.
So
This is the main thing I would like to say. Obviously, when you are doing something, you will think many times, like when I have left my government jobs, then outer people have rebuked me also. So that was the pressure over me. But once you take a stand for yourself, things start to change. It is only you who have to take the stand for yourself. and then slowly people start to change. एंड
Mm.
बिकॉज दैट वाज द टेस्टिंग टाइम, जब आप ही अपने लिए खड़े नहीं हो रहे हो तो दूसरों को कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करोगे अपने लिए खड़े होने को? सो इट इज यू हु ऑलवेज हैव टू टेक द स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ, लिसन टू योर हार्ट, लिसन टू योर कॉलिंग, और एब्रप्टली नहीं कि मन में आया जसलीन ने बोल दिया जॉब छोड़ दो तो जॉब छोड़ के बैठ गए, नो, नेवर लाइक दैट। हर एक की जर्नी अलग है। So yes, I am blessed. I can say more than blessed that I am chosen by the Almighty for some things to be a medium for some people. But yes, this journey takes a lot from you, but also it will bless a lot that one can never ever imagine. Never ever
Yeah,
imagine.
true that. Can't agree more. Yeah. Right. So thank you so much, Jasleen, for being my guest. And I mean, it was amazing talking to you as always. So thank you so much. And thanks, listeners, to listening to us. So you want to say thanks to listener, and then I
Yeah,
think I
thank
can
you
end
everyone, and thank you Stuti for having me finally.
it. Yeah.
As it was your strong urge to let's
Right.
do it, and I was always running. No, no, wait. So
This was
thank you
meant to.
so much for
Yeah.
having me. Thank you each one of you for listening me right now, and I wish you all the best, love and light your way, and I hope everyone would get everything what they want. But yes, with a lot more of hard work also.
True that's a byproduct of everything is a byproduct of hard work. So thank you so much, listeners, for listening to us. And on that note, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I will see you another one. Bye.